Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered what secrets it might hold? Despite decades of scientific exploration, there are still numerous mysteries surrounding Earth's only natural satellite that have yet to be solved. Join us as we dive deep into the top 10 mysteries about the moon that science hasn't solved yet. In this video, we'll explore the unexplained phenomena that continue to puzzle astronomers and researchers alike. From strange lunar lights to unusual crater formations, we'll examine the most intriguing mysteries of the moon and the latest theories that attempt to explain them. The moon has captivated us for centuries, inspiring everything from mythology and folklore to scientific exploration and discovery. Yet despite our best efforts, there are still many mysteries surrounding Earth's closest celestial neighbor that remain unsolved. First on our list are the mysterious lights that have been observed on the moon's surface for centuries. Known as transient lunar phenomena, or TLPs, these strange flashes of light have been reported by numerous observers, including astronomers, NASA astronauts, and even amateur stargazers. Despite decades of study, scientists still aren't sure what causes these enigmatic events. Some theories suggest that they could be caused by the release of gases from beneath the moon's surface, while others speculate that they could be the result of meteorite impacts or even alien activity. Next up are the strange crater formations that dot the moon's surface. While most craters on the moon are the result of impact events, some have unusual features that scientists have yet to explain. One such feature is the central peak, which is found in some large craters and rises up from the crater floor like a mountain. Scientists believe that these peaks are formed by the rebound of the crust after an impact event, but they still aren't sure why some craters have them and others don't. Our next mystery is the moon's inconsistent magnetic field. Unlike Earth, which has a strong and stable magnetic field, the moon's field is much weaker and varies widely from place to place. Scientists believe that the moon's magnetic field is generated by its core, which is much smaller than Earth's and has likely cooled down over time. But why the field is so weak and inconsistent remains a mystery, and studying it could provide insights into the moon's early history and evolution. The moon's orbit around Earth is another mystery that continues to baffle scientists. While most moons in our solar system have circular orbits that remain stable over time, the moon's orbit is not only elliptical, but also affected by Earth's gravitational pull. This causes the moon to move in a complex pattern that is difficult to predict, and scientists still aren't sure why this is the case. Some theories suggest that the moon's odd orbit is the result of a collision with another celestial body early in its history. Despite our extensive knowledge of the moon's surface, we still know very little about its internal structure. While scientists have been able to map the moon's gravity field and infer its composition, they have yet to get a clear picture of what lies beneath the surface. Some theories suggest that the moon has a partially molten core, while others propose that it could have a solid iron inner core, like Earth. Understanding the moon's internal structure could provide clues about its formation and evolution, as well as shed light on the processes that shape other rocky planets and moons in our solar system. Did you know that the moon has an atmosphere? While it is much thinner than Earth's, the moon's atmosphere is still a subject of fascination for scientists who are trying to understand its composition and dynamics. Recent studies have shown that the moon's atmosphere is constantly changing, with gases like helium, argon, and neon being released from the surface and escaping into space. Understanding the moon's atmosphere could provide valuable insights into the early history of our solar system, as well as help us prepare for future lunar missions. For many years, scientists believed that the moon was completely dry, devoid of any water or other volatile compounds. But in recent years, a series of discoveries have shown that this isn't the case. Data from several lunar missions, including the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter and the Chandrayaan-1 spacecraft, have revealed the presence of water ice in the moon's polar regions. Understanding where this water came from and how it is distributed could have important implications for future lunar exploration and even the search for life in our solar system. The moon's origin is one of the biggest mysteries in planetary science. While the most widely accepted theory is that the moon formed from debris left over after a giant impact between Earth and a Mars-sized object early in our solar system's history, this theory still has many unanswered questions. For example, if the moon formed from Earth debris, why is its composition so different from Earth's? And why is the moon's density so much lower than Earth's? Some scientists have proposed alternative theories, such as the capture of a wandering object by Earth's gravity, or the splitting of Earth's early molten state into two separate bodies. Understanding the moon's origin could provide valuable insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. The moon is covered in craters, which provide valuable information about its history and the frequency of impacts in our solar system. But in recent years, scientists have noticed something strange. Some craters on the moon appear to be disappearing. This phenomenon, known as lunar swirls, is still not well understood. Some theories suggest that the swirls are caused by magnetic fields, while others propose that they are the result of space weathering. Understanding the nature of lunar swirls could provide important insights into the processes that shape planetary surfaces. Finally, we come to one of the moon's biggest mysteries, its dark side. While the side of the moon facing Earth is well known and studied, the opposite side of the moon remains largely unexplored. The main reason for this is that the moon is tidally locked to Earth, meaning that it rotates on its axis at the same rate that it orbits around Earth. This means that the same side of the moon always faces Earth, while the opposite side remains hidden. But in recent years, a number of missions have been sent to explore the dark side of the moon, including China's Chang'e 4 mission, which landed on the far side of the moon in 2019. These missions are shedding new light on the mysteries of the moon's dark side, including its geology, composition, and history. The moon has fascinated humans for centuries, and while we have made great strides in understanding this celestial body, there is still so much we don't know. Who knows what other mysteries the moon holds, waiting to be uncovered by future generations of scientists?